Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this spring inspired makeup tutorial for you guys. We are in the month of April, so it just makes sense for me to do something more spring related. And whenever I think about spring, I'm thinking about colors which are like pinks and lilacs and greens. So I wanted to do something around those tones and incorporate that into this video. So this is what I came up with. I tried to make the video as affordable as possible. There are a couple of high-end products here. Not everybody can afford Sephora every single time a new product comes out. So with that being said, let's jump right into the tutorial. If you are not following me on YouTube and on Instagram, please do so. I have a giveaway going on this week on Instagram. I will link my Instagram down below here and also in the description bar. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's move on. Alright guys, I'm going in first with my NYX First Base Primer Spray. I'm just going in with my Maybelline MasterChrome Orange Corrector just to get rid of my dark circles. I'm going to be taking this around my mouth as well and just giving it a good finger blend. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX contour palette, and I'm picking up the shade right here with my finger, and again applying that to the under eye area. And then for foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Dream Cushion Foundation. This is in the shade Medium Beige 45, and I'm going to be applying this with my Beauty Blender. Just applying some Shape Tape Concealer to my eyelids for priming. And I'm going to be blending this out with a Real Techniques blending brush. Or actually, this is a Real Techniques Expert Concealer brush. I'm just setting this with some Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to be going in with the shade WCW from my Violet Voss Like a Boss palette. And I'm going to be picking this up on a Morphe E27 brush, and I'm going to be applying this as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shade Motivate on a Morphe E28 brush. And I'm going to work on deepening up that crease. I'm switching back to the Morphe E27 with no extra product and just cleaning up the areas and edges around the crease. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NYX number 13 brush, and I'm going to be going back in to the shade Motivate, and I'm going to load my brush with that and apply that directly onto my mobile lids so that we're packing that color on. Just don't want any harsh lines here, so we're just going to work on blending this out really nicely. And then I'm going to be going in with this beautiful, gorgeous green metallic shade. It's like a mossy green shade. And I'm going to be using this on a flat shader brush. This is by Morphe as well. It's the M421 brush. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Extra right here. This is a lighter version of a green. It's also very, very pretty. It's like almost like a yellow green. And with the same brush, I'm going to be applying this just to the center of my mobile lids to give it more of a three-dimensional spotlight-ish kind of eye. I'm going back in now with the NYX 13 number brush, and I'm going to work this into my crease. No extra product, I'm just cleaning the crease a little bit and just getting rid of any harsh lines. So next I'm going to be taking my Rimmel Exaggerate black eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying this to my top lash line and also my bottom lash line, and I'm also going to be tight lining with this. I'm taking the shade Motivate again on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to be smoking out the bottom lash line. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara for some Colossal lashes. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and applied some lashes. Now I use the Flutter lashes in Slayla. These are actually one of my favorite lashes. They're so wispy and fluffy, but not too much, so that it doesn't really hide any of the work. Let me know if you guys want to see like how I apply my lashes. I can do a tutorial if you guys want to see that. Otherwise, I usually tend to apply lashes off camera because it's just so much more easier. Anyway, so we're going to move on to the rest of the face now. For concealer, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Pure Beige. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and sort of like set this so we don't have any streaks. For powder, I'm taking my trusty Laura Mercier settings powder, and I'm going to be dipping my Real Techniques fluffy foundation brush. This is a buffing brush actually, and I'm just going to take this underneath my eyes. I'm using the NYX Pro Singles in the shade Sienna to contour, and I'm going to be taking this on a e.l.f. tiny brush. I'm just going to go in with my butter bronzer and a Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm going to apply this to my jawline and all the outer areas of my face just to give it a little bit more warmth. And then I'm going in with my Makeup Geek Spellbound blush. This is a nice pink floral light tone, and I'm going to be picking this up on a NYX flat brush and just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to switch brushes to my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm going to be packing this color on because I really want this to be nice and fresh and bright. So I'm going to be just really concentrating this color and packing this on. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in with my Armorzi highlight, and I'm picking this up on a Real Techniques setting brush. Going in with the dewy NYX setting spray. I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner. This is in the shade Enchantment, and I'm going to be filling in my lips like with this as well. And finally, just topping it off with my NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Tiramisu. And that's the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on all of my other social media handles. I will link them down below. And do go check out my giveaway on Instagram, and I'll see you next week. Bye!